What is this thing?
How much? So as you guys saw in the last video, I bought a 1991 Mercedes 300D. Why did I do this? Literally to destroy it. But today we're not actually destroying it. Today we're gonna mod it a little bit. We're straight piping. Seriously, we're straight piping, 100% straight pipe the 300D today. I think maybe it'll roll coal. So here's the funny thing about it is usually this car would come with a 2.4 liter Mercedes diesel turbo engine, right? Yeah, this one doesn't have the turbo in it. I'm thinking that a former owner of it just took the turbo out for some reason because there's some really like weirdly rigged piping inside there where the turbo should be. So we're just gonna cut it after that. So where the turbo should be and where the exhaust starts after the turbo, there's just gonna be nothing. It's gonna be fun. So this this is so stupid. Say hey, Josh. Hey, Josh. Hey, what up, vlog? We get like a weird like bucket for this door or something so it stays. Oh, look, it stayed. Yes, the seat works.
Oh, that's cool. I think it's burning oil.
Yeah.
Did it die?
Yeah.
It's literally smoking.
It's idling.
It's idling. Is that knock?
No, I just think it's a diesel sound.
Are you sure? Because it kind of sounds like knock.
It sounds like knock, I know.
It sounds like knock.
Should we check if there's even oil in it?
Probably. I mean, it's burning a lot of oil.
That's probably why there's oil in the trunk that came with the car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Huh.
Alright, vlog. So now that we have a perfectly running and driving Mercedes, it's time to make it loud and do some performance mods. We're gonna de-restrict that exhaust and we're gonna make it the fastest diesel Mercedes in this acre.
This door?
There's two mufflers on this thing.
I mean...
Yeah, I broke that thing off the trailer.
Wonderful. It's like wings.
Yeah, it's Active Aero.
We got it. Do we want to unbolt the rest of the exhaust, or do we want to just leave that hanging down?
Let's leave it hanging.
Alright. What is this thing?
How much?
Almost. So much smoke.
Oh my god!
Holy crap! That was so much.
It sounds like
It's so loud.
that is like louder than my truck.
It literally just dumped all right in my face.
Dude, that is so cool.
It's idling.
No, I have my foot on the throttle.
Oh, okay.
I'm literally holding the gas right now.
Can I go for a drive?
Dude, this is so freaking crazy.
We straight piped a diesel Mercedes. I opened the door. Do any of the gauges work? It's idle.
You think it'll die in the middle of the drive?
Probably. This idle's really rough.
Dude, it drives.
No way. Well, that suspension's really smooth.
I know it is.
I don't know if it's because it's broken or if it's like just Mercedes quality, but like,
I'm gonna guess broken.
can I drive it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, it's diesel.
You wanna hear it? Sure.
What's this antenna for? Oh, it shifted! I love that. That's such a cool horn. That's such a cool horn. Oh my god, I'm loving this car even more. I can hear the exhaust dragging on the ground. So it doesn't like turning.
No,
or
it does not
braking.
like it.
Or stopping.
Or reverse.
So it doesn't like doing anything but going in a straight line.
Yeah.
So
It
we
likes
should make
drive.
we should make this a drag car.
You ready?
Ready for what?
You're gonna drive.
What is this? Is this oil pressure?
I don't know. How's it doing?
It's all the way up. No brakes. I turned on the blinker and all the lights on the dash are flickered. This got some.
I just put it in reverse and nothing happened.
It's so much fun.
It really is. I can't wait to take it out to the land like Ty's Hunting Club. Here, I'm gonna get out. Just try to do a little burnout. Okay?
Right here.
Yes, just a
But
little.
your brakes don't work.
I know. Yeah, it wouldn't do it.
It didn't work.
Literally, a dog's just coming in our yard to bark. All right, guys. So the Mercedes is now straight piped. The next video, we may be taking them doors off. I really want to take the doors off because we opened the door while driving it, and it actually sounded pretty good. So we're gonna take the doors off of this thing, and we have some crazy, crazy stuff planned for this car, guys. It's not just, oh, let's hit it with sledgehammers, whatever. You know, no. We're doing actually really cool stuff to this. It's gonna be really, really fun. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I'm not gonna disclose what I have in mind, but in a few weeks, you know, we're gonna do crazy stuff for weeks and weeks and weeks. In a few weeks, we're gonna do something so stupid to this. Thanks for subbing in on this video. Thanks for subbing in on the Bridges YouTube channel. Go and subscribe, hit that notification bell. With that all being said, I'm out.